Hi guys, Serena here with Bob's Red Mill, and today I am in the kitchen making chocolate chip almond protein cookies. Cookie season is here, which I always get excited about. I love making cookies. But this time of year we also sometimes are just craving something a little sweet but also a little nutritious. So that's exactly what this recipe does for you. And it's minimal ingredients and minimal time, so that makes it even better. And in just a few minutes we're gonna have some treats, so let's get started.